families of slave traders issue apologies to Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to this Emancipation edition of Primetime News. We are live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, fans of Vybz Kartel concerned for his health as more pictures of him emerge, and government looking at desalination to increase Jamaica's water supply. There's also the business day, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.